Right, so we're back in the shop again today, messing with the heater core on the 48, trying to get the heater lines plumb to it. I've already got a couple of reducers put in because the hose lines on the water pump and the intake are 3/4 inch, and the lines for the heater core are 5/8. So I had to get some reducers to go from 3/4 to 5/8. I already got those put in on one side. Now I'm going to run from the water pump up and over. I'm going to put in this valve in line, and then we'll run the hose from the intake over. So I'm going to get a couple things lined out here, and I'll be back with you in just a second. Right, let's see if we can't get this little short piece of hose put in here where this valve's going to go. So I want something about like that. Cut a little chunk of hose here. Like so. And clamp, it's way too big, but it's what I have, so that's what we're going to use. This will even work. There we go. Just about there. I said really, clamp was way too big, but that's what I had, so that's what we're using. And I can just take some snips and cut this excess off. So let's put on, see if this clamp even works. Maybe. That clamp on there. Shut off valve in. Turn that just a little. See if I can get that to tighten up. Alright, there's that part. And then, see how I want to run. The heater hose comes off that way. Give a little extra. It doesn't kink. I think we'll do something about like that. So let me cut that off in there. Like so. Got this cheap clamp. Probably end up trading those clamps out later on for better ones. But for now, it's what I have, so that's what we're using. Alright, let me get things ready for down here at the water pump. Alright, so I'm down here at the water pump area now. And I've got a pair of vice grips clamping this bypass hose off. The system's still full of antifreeze. Or at least as I hope it is, because I haven't drained any. And the plan is to try and get this end off at the water pump as quickly as I can, then slide this new hose in place as quickly as I can. So, hopefully not to lose hardly any, lose as little antifreeze as possible. That's my goal. So, let's see, I've kind of already twisted that hose, the old hose there, and see if I can get it broke loose. Let me get this one over here, get it ready. Ah, success. Ish. Bound to lose a little bit either way you go. Let's see if I can get this clamp tightened up. Alright, that's pretty snug. Now then, you see about running for my other hose. And go in here. Do something with that. Something like that. Have about the same sort of angle on it so I can kind of tie them together. That should be pretty close. You guys can't see where I'm working at over here, can you? See if I can get you set up where you can see what I was doing over there. There we go. If you'll stay, don't fall. Just here. Change sockets again. Okay. Alright, there's that hose hooked in over there. Let me get the hose on the intake broke free. It's got that one, so we're needing this one. We'll see if I can't get that one broke free and get ready to do the speed swap like we did on the other one. So hang on just a second. Alright, let's see. This one's a little trickier because I've got to put the clamp on the new hose at the same time. Let's get you out of my way. There we go. So, got the old hose loose and ready to go. So, just pull it off. Oh, that's good. Nothing really coming out of there. That's awesome. Tell you this though, that's not a 3/4 nipple down there. That's a 5/8 nipple on it. May have to change that out. I think I've got another 5/8 nipple I can put in there. Let's see how bad she leaks. Probably pretty bad. Probably in your all's way, ain't I? Oh, it's on there. I don't know how well it's on there, but it's on there. Get this out of the way. May have to cut a little bit more off of that one, which is fine. That one looks about perfect. Plan is to tie those together. So yeah, I'm gonna have to shorten this one just a little bit more. Alright, let's mess with that real quick. That's no big deal. We do that like that. I think that'll work pretty good. So let me cut a couple inches out of this one. Slide her back on there. Oh yeah, much better. Alright, and what I will do, I'll get these tails cut off. I'll run zip ties around and through the middle in between these two to keep them together. And that's going to be our heater lines. Awesome. Alright, we'll start in on the blower motor later.